Hello everyone. So today's topic is Unit 3 Laminated Plate Theory. So we'll be going through the video lectures starting from the first question of your question bank. So the laminated plate theory, let us see what is there in the first question of your part B. Okay, in the laminated plate theory, the first question starts from Kirchoff's hypothesis. So this is the main thing, the assumptions with which we develop the ABD matrix stress strain relation of a laminate derivations. So this theory is highly important in your exam point of view. So let's go across the classical lamination theory. So in classical lamination theory, this is very popular. So most of the times in your NICC exams, they ask you this question. A lamina, we know about lamina, plies, all those things, everything we know. So basically a composite, why do we want to focus? The main point is we need to have a stronger structure at a cheaper price. Okay, so let us leave the price, cost, all those things, but the ultimate aim is to have a stronger structure. Okay, so mainly composite is comprised of two or more materials. Okay, so a ply of a fiber reinforced composite, make a note, the fiber reinforced composite is strong along the fiber direction. Okay, so this is the key thing that we wanted to focus on. So a ply or a single sheet of a composite is normally strong along the fiber direction. So same lamina, if we consider this lamina, in which direction this will be weak, this will be our analysis. So it will be weak in all of fiber directions. So this issue is being addressed by the classical lamination theory. So to address this issue, Kirchoff's have some assumptions. Let us see what it is. So straight lines normal to the mid surface. So remember, if we wanted to solve a laminate, we will be having a mid plane. Okay, straight lines normal to mid surface remain straight after deformation. Straight lines normal to the mid surface will be straight after deformations. Okay, straight lines normal to mid surface remain normal to the mid surface after deformation. So if the surface is deformed, okay, the straight line will always be normal to the mid surface. It will not change even though the compound is deformed. The thickness of the plate does not change during deformation. If you change or deform a structure, it will not deform. Its thickness will not change. So these 3 points are called as Kirchoff's hypothesis. So when a question is asked in this topic, so it is always recommended to write these 3 points, because these are the 3 points with which we will be deriving the stress relation of a laminate and a lamina. So make a note. So normally two-dimensional thin plates are being analyzed, and forces and moments are used for deriving the relationship. So let us get into the assumptions what he has made. So there are around 7 assumptions. Okay, so these are the points that you must write in the ABD matrix derivation also. Okay, so these are very important. They are also asked in 2 marks as well as in your part B questions. So these are orthotropic. Lamina is orthotropic, homogeneous, it is elastic, and remember, line straight and perpendicular to the middle surface remains straight and perpendicular to the middle surface during deformation. And laminates, this assumption is valid only for thin laminates. Displacements are continuous and small. Very small displacements are only considered, and these assumptions and this hypothesis is valid only for thin laminates as well as continuous small displacements. Make a note. And this will not be valid for, not much suitable for thicker plates. Okay, so this will be the basis for your derivation.